Welcome to the Muhammad's Travel Vlog. This is the part 2 of the Alwada Extension Mall vlog, and right now we are at the main entrance of the Alwada Extension Mall. We are making a part 2 because in the last vlog we were only able to show you the first floor and the second floor. In this vlog we're going to show you the ground floor and the third floor. So stay tuned.
At the Alwada Extension
now we're
Mall.
going to start.
And now we're in the lift, and I would like to show you a view from the lift. Here it is.
Right now we just came from this lift, and now we are at the Alwada Cinema on the third floor. Or you could say it's the Oscar Cinema, and here's a movie right now you could see here. This is the Alwada Cinema, or you could call it as the Oscar Cinema of the Alwada Mall. After our vlog we're going to watch a movie here, Avatar. Okay, now we're going front. Let's go. Now here you could see the Samsung shop, and still we have the S22 Ultra as the new one. Here are buds, as you can see here. Let's go front. Right now this was the Samsung shop, right? Right now we are here at the Sharaf DG shop, and here they're also saying Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Z Flip 4. Well, there's no competition. Here you could see on our left is the Do SIM shop, and in our last vlog part you have saw all these things, Bath and Body Works and everything, but some things I didn't record. And right now here you could see a bridge. This is interesting. Look down, the bridge is there too. You want to cross it? So now we're walking on the bridge. Oh, do you look scared? Looking from up here. Let's go front. Right now, here is the brand's SKU outlet. And from this window, you big view window, I'll show you Al Nahyan Stadium. It's so big, right, guys? This is the most best scene of my vlog. Here you could see Abu Dhabi, the stadium. Okay, now we're going front. We're crossing the bridge. No, we are now on the other side of the bridge. And here you could see the Jumbo shop. Here on our right is the Dubai Deal shop. Here are all types of clothes and every essentials you need. Then there's a 30% off. Right now we're in the middle of the third floor of the Extension Mall. You want to look down? Look down there. In the last vlog we show you that chocolate place, which is on the first floor. Now, well, I said it was Dubai Deal, right? It was actually the deal. So, on our right you could see Kiddie Zone. Most of you must have heard of it if you live in the UAE. Or I also forgot to tell you that I'm a Pakistani vlogger. So I'll talk in a little bit Urdu. तो आपको सबको पता होगा कि किडी जोन है, और ऊपर आप देख सकते हो एक बड़ा सा व्यू ग्रैंड मिलेनियम होटल, और एंड यू कैन सी अप फ्रॉम द ग्रैंड मिलेनियम होटल. हियर इज पार्टी सेंटर. यहाँ पार्टी सेंटर है, और हम चलो अभी आगे जाते हैं. लेट्स गो फ्रंट. देयर आर कूल एक्शन फिगर्स राइट देयर एट किडी जोन. वी हैव बीन पासिंग द डील शॉप फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. इट्स वेरी बिग, राइट गाइस? हम डील शॉप से कब से पास कर रहे हैं? ये तो बहुत लंबा होगा ना. यहाँ हमारे राइट पर ट्रैवलर टूरिज्म है, और यहाँ एक ब्रिज है जिससे आप देख सकते हो हम अगले मॉल पर जा सकते हैं. और फिर यहाँ फूड कोर्ट है जहाँ पर हम खाना खाएंगे. तो अभी यहाँ से व्लॉग हम खत्म कर लेंगे. विल हैव अ ब्रेक. अभी दिस इज द फूड कोर्ट, एंड हियर यू कुड सी द ब्रिज वेयर यू कुड पास थ्रू टू द नेक्स्ट मॉल. We're just passing the food court. अब हम अभी food court को पास कर रहे हैं. This is Gary's Grills. And here's the seats on our right. And there's a view there. And there's a Seha hospital opening here. Here's a bridge again. Dragons of Guagana है. यहाँ Dragons of Guagana है. And here you could see sushi और वे. अब यहाँ देख सकते हैं sushi और वे Japanese केक खाना है. Right now we are at the end of the food court, and these are only seats. And here is the sign here tells all the places. And there's a new restaurant here which is very popular. It's called the Al Baik restaurant. And here you could see there's so much rush here. And here is a view from the down. Now here we are at the escalator. Here is Pavantes. And here is the government of the finest in the world cuisine. Oh, and here there's opening soon something. Right now here is a big bench. And here you could see many decorations. In the last vlog we must have also shown you this, right? And there you could see the sign Everybody can see that there is a Al-Wahda Mall लिखा हुआ है. सब लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ Al-Wahda Mall लिखा है. और यहाँ से सबको पता है यहाँ Al-Wahda Mall के साइन है ना. और हम अभी आपको व्यू दिखाएंगे. Now we'll show you the view of the city. और आप यहाँ नीचे से देख सकते हो कैसा है ना. सबको पता है कि हमने मेन एंट्रेंस दिखाया था, जो पिछले व्लॉग में हमने नहीं दिखाया था. अच्छा, ये 3rd फ्लोर की आखिरी चीज है. हम अभी यहाँ से एक ब्रेक लेंगे और ये इस खाने में खाना खाएंगे. शुक्रिया. Here it is. It's so small. Here is a vending machine, but it's empty. Here is the main entrance. Okay. Ground floor isn't that popular, and here's an orange saloon for kids. And there you could see orange wheels where you could get food. And here are some places to keep your stroller, and here are some rides for kids. और some यहाँ rides हैं. और हम यहाँ ग्राउंड फ्लोर की ब्लॉग बना रहे हैं. वहाँ मेन एंट्रेंस है. अच्छा ठीक है, तो ये यहाँ से हमने आपको एक और बात बताना था. I need to tell you something, that now on the basement 2 extension floor there was sports place where you could do sports skating, like how they're playing down there. You could see there. Here is a sign in the sports lounge on the base, playing badminton. You could play skating, these games while you shop. They say Al-Wahda Mall says that who said malls are only for shopping. So here we'll end our vlog. So I'll see you next Saturday on our next vlog. And this is the Al-Wahda extension of vlog 2 part 2. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Sorry लोग, पर मैंने कुछ चीजें भूल गया. यहाँ हैंडलिंग है एक खाना का दुकान, और यहाँ राइट पर ये खुल रहा है ब्रांड्स वर्ल्ड. आप यहाँ से देख सकते हो. And here on our right is world famous Brands, which is opening, or I think it's closed. But you could see here how it is. And there that Brands world is still there. It's so big. Look how long it is. And here is the samurai Japanese restaurant where you could buy those sushis. Okay, so from here we'll end our vlog. तो हम यहाँ से अपना vlog खत्म करेंगे. तो I'll see you on next Saturday. So I'll see you next Saturday. So goodbye.